What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over the Robinhood app. So this is the second installment, episode 2 of my Robinhood app series. Every week, I'm going to be depositing $100 into my Robinhood free stock trading app. I'll be building my stock portfolio very slowly. The stock portfolio for me is a very long-term investment. Stock trading is somewhat new to me. I'm invested in cryptocurrencies, but not so much into stocks. I recently started to put a lot of money into the stock market. I've invested into a Roth IRA, and now that the Roth IRA is all set and put aside, I'm going to be putting a little bit of money into the stock market from the Robinhood app. The Robinhood app, if you compare stocks to cryptocurrency, I think that stocks are a lot less volatile and a lot less risky. It's a safer bet for me when I put money into the stock market rather than into the cryptocurrency market. So let's get right into the Robinhood app. As you can, right now my portfolio is worth $214.81. I am down $1.80 for the day. If you compare this to crypto, it's a lot less volatile. My crypto portfolio is always going up by a few hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day in value. I had an issue with the Robinhood app. Let me show you on my, if you look at September 20th deposit, I deposited $230 into my account. Last week you saw that my account was worth about $130, but there was an issue with my $100 deposit at that time, and I got charged a fee of $30. My issue was that I used an old checking account where I canceled it, but I forgot to change the account on my Robinhood app, so that's why they charged me an extra $30. So they reversed the deposit, and then I had to reconnect my Robinhood app with my new checking account, and then I had to add $230 so I could pay for the fee. Besides that, also I want you guys to know that I have an affiliate link in the description, and if you guys decide to test out Robinhood app for yourself and you use my link, you'll be getting a free stock. So 1 in 200 stocks, you get a chance of getting Apple, Facebook, or JP Morgan Chase, or you can also get GE, Ford, or Snap. But you have a 100% chance of getting a free stock each time someone signs up with my Robinhood app referral link. Each user, so if you guys want to refer a friend to use Robinhood app, you guys can only make up to $500 per user. So after the $500 limit is reached, you guys won't be able to get any more free stocks. So if you guys want to use that benefit, it is right there, links in the description. All right, let's get to today's purchases. My stock portfolio is down almost, I would say, $2 today, which is about 1% on the day. But for the week, you can see that I'm actually trending upwards. Moving down, let me show you guys the stocks that I was gonna buy. So right here are the stocks that are in my portfolio. I have I have 1 share of Ford. Moving on, most of these stocks I only have 1 share just because I'm a brand new investor into the stock market. So I only can buy $100 worth of stocks each episode. In today's episode, specifically, I bought this stock, which is SPHD. It's an ETF fund. It's supposedly supposed to be a high dividend, low volatility fund. That is something I like. I do not like volatility when it comes to stocks, and I want to see monthly dividends. So that's what I've been researching, and that is why I bought this. So this cost $42.34 at the moment. I bought 1 share. I bought it at $42.30, and it's about 20% of my portfolio. So as you can see, the dividend yield is 4.27%. Volatility is low. That is what I'm looking for in a lot of stocks. And I just want you guys to know, if you guys are wondering, ETFs are index funds and they track the whole market. When it comes to Invesco S&P 500 high dividend, low volatility ETF, it tracks a dividend yield weighted index comparison, the 50 least volatile name chosen from a short list of the S&P 500 75 highest dividend yield securities. So just to let you guys know my mindset going into investing with the Robinhood app, I'm going to be looking for very stable. Every month I'll be paid out some types of dividends. Here is the second stock that I bought today, which is Zillow. Zillow is a company related to real estate and home related information marketplaces on the mobile and the web. As you guys might know, I'm invested in real estate and I have used Zillow, and with my experience with Zillow, I actually really like the web-based application. I'm also using Zillow to help me find tenants and also to collect rent. So that's why I see Zillow as a long-term company that will do well. And the third stock that I bought today, which is more of a gamble for me, was Mazda. I do not know too much about Mazda other than there are a few cars that I actually like from Mazda, which is the MX-5 RF. For some reason, I'm really attracted to that car, and because of that biased opinion, that is why I bought Mazda, just to test it out and see what I can do with it. Maybe I will be able to sell it for a gain, or maybe not, but Mazda was just something that I used to fill up the rest of the portfolio for today. Moving down, as you can see that Mazda is only 5.6% of my portfolio. If we move down to the volatility, you can see that is a high volatility. That is something I'm okay deal with because the price of these shares are so low. Some tips that I picked up using the Robinhood app: I do not buy normally with the market rate. So if you guys want to trade and buy stocks, you would go to buy, and if you look here, you can see that there's the market price. I usually go into the order types and I go into limit, and then I would input the purchase price that I'm willing to buy the stock at. And if it doesn't hit the stock app on that day, I might be able to get it the next day, and so forth. You'll never know exactly how much the market rate is going to be. So to be sure that you get the stock for the price that you want, always use the limit price to your advantage. So with the more research that I do and the more knowledge I gain from using the Robinhood app, I'll be sharing that with you. One tip that I found out was that the best time to trade stocks are around 9:30 to 10:30 during the stock trading day, Eastern time. Also, another tip that I picked up was the best day to sell stocks are usually on Friday. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys for watching episode 2 of the Robinhood app. Thank you guys again for watching. If you guys are interested in using the Robinhood app, I have a link in the description. So if you guys decide to use the Robinhood app, use my link in the description and you will be able to get a free stock when you sign up. Thanks again for watching. That's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys next week on another video. Thanks. Bye.